everybody, welcome back to No Place Like Home. Thank y'all for watching. I'd like to thank all my subscribers and my new subscribers. I thank y'all and welcome today. And today we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna create our own pumpkin design. Um, and all you need for this project, you're gonna need some beads and some socks of any kind that you don't want. Of course, some scissors and some ribbon and some rope and your glue gun. So have all those ready, and I'm going to show y'all how I did this beautiful pumpkin here. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to show y'all just how I did it. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. First, what you're going to do, I just got this pumpkin here from the Dollar Tree. Go ahead and cut that out. And it has this little stem thing on it, that this little other little stem. Go ahead and take that out. And it just got like a little pin thing in it. Go ahead and take that off. And then if you have an old sweater, because the only thing we're going to need in this sweater is just the sleeve. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. Okay, then you just end up with this piece. Maybe cut about this size, maybe. It's depending on how big your pumpkin is. I just got one of these little big ones, so I'm going to use quite a bit of this part of the sleeve. Now, what we're going to do, get your scissors and make a hole right there in the center of this pumpkin here. So next, you're going to grab your sleeve. Go ahead and put your pumpkin in it. You want it kind of just like so, okay? So you're going to kind of have it maybe kind of right there in the middle, like so, like this. And what I do, I go ahead on and kind of tie it if you can. If not, that's okay too. And then just kind of push it down off in that hole that you made. Because this is the bottom of your pumpkin. And you just kind of put it in. See there? Just have it in like so. And then the top part of it, if you can, kind of twist it around if you can. And then start just putting it down off in that hole there that you got. Just put it down. And then you're going to grab your beads. Grab your beads. And since you already got that little hole there, go ahead and put that down off in there just a little bit. Just push it down off in there. And then kind of put it right here where the little groove is at there. Try to just find one of the grooves and kind of put it down off in there and just swing it around and then put it off in that. And you can use however many you want. I just use 4, but you can use however many you want. It's just whatever design you want to do. Okay, so next, I got my glue gun. It's pretty hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little glue on it just to hold it in place a little bit. Top and the bottom. Okay, so next, you're gonna go ahead and take your little stem here, and then it just depends on how big your stem is as to how much you need to cut. So Just go ahead and kind of catch it right there in the center like, and then just roll it on. And if you have a glue gun, if you don't, that's okay, because it still will hold because you're gonna wrap it. So I'm gonna put a little glue on this. If you have a glue gun, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little glue on it, and that just helps to hold it. Gonna take your rope, and I got this from the Dollar Tree too. And just take your rope and wrap it around. Just kind of hold it in place. Then wrap it around. Big thing you have here, you can go ahead on and put this inside of here. And now if you want to put some more glue there, you can. I might put a little bit there, but you don't have to. Like I say, if you want to, just go ahead and make you some more, but I just chose just do 4. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside. Next, we're gonna do one with the sock. And we're gonna do the same thing. If you have just a whole pair of socks around the house and you don't have a sweater, there's always something different. So I'm gonna use this one right here for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this little stem out. And like we did the other one, I'm gonna go ahead and make this hole bigger. So now we're gonna grab our sock. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. See how they look? Isn't that pretty? When you get your socks, make sure you have some kind of design in it, and it'll make it real. See how they look? I think that's pretty. That is so pretty. It's just a little idea I had that I want to share with y'all, to be something for you and your children or your little grandbabies can do with you. See how it look? That looks so pretty. I got this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this right here out. I'm gonna use this right here for another project. Cause my next video, I think I'm gonna do a wreath, and I'm gonna use some of that stuff that I used off of that. So what we're gonna do again, we're gonna go ahead and make this. You can use material or whatever that you want to use. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. I want to make sure my sock is going to be big enough. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it. See how pretty that looks. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And then I'm going to show y'all the final results of it, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, this is the final results of our little pumpkin designs. We have the little sock one. I think that is too cute. And if you want to go ahead on and put like a little leaf on it at the top also, you can. I just kind of stuck that in there just to show you another design that you could do with it. I think that's pretty cool too. And I do like the little two-tone, the black and the gray stripes. I think that's cute for the little one. And then for this one here, see how they designed to make it look like a flower or something. Isn't it too cute? I love that. That turned out so good. And then the big one, I really love these. I like all of them, but I really love these right here. And and it's just unlimited what you can use to make these. You can even use a t-shirt sleeve. Just cut it out and stuff it down off in a little hole there. I think that'll be great too. And on the and on this one, I want to put a little leaf in that too. It just brings out the color in it also. But I hope y'all get a chance to do these. I think they look awesome. I'm gonna add this to my fall design that I have in my living room. I'm gonna add these to it, and oh, and one more thing, some little berries, you can kind of stick them off in there too, like so. Isn't that cute? You can just kind of glue it on there, and I think it looks pretty cool. But anyway, have a blessed day and a safe day. Bye bye.